This is our live look right now from Bridgeport. You're able to see that we do have some thunderstorms developing. This is from our storm chaser, Jason McLaughlin. So we're looking at the dark skies there because storms are starting to develop, and that's why the National Weather Service has issued this severe thunderstorm watch for the potential of those strong to possibly severe storms that could have large hail and maybe damaging winds. This does include the Metroplex, includes all the counties right now shaded in yellow until 2 o'clock in the morning for first round, possibly along the dry line of those storms developing, and then the second one with that complex of storms coming in later on this evening into the overnight hours. We'll have more on that in a second, but let's look at the radar right now. A couple of interesting features that I'm looking at. First one, you see this line making its way east to west right now through Parker County, stretching up through parts of Wise County. That's because we had a lot of moist air in place, some earlier morning rain, and then we had drier out to the west. So there's one little outflow that's happening for us, but you can see these thunderstorms, especially up near Jacksboro, really developing over the past maybe 20 to 25 minutes. So this is starting to develop a little bit stronger, not severe yet, but I wouldn't be surprised to see this go severe in the next maybe 30 minutes or so because these storms are developing right along the dry line. So that's the first one north of Jacksboro, moving off to the north and to the northeast. Another one over near Graham. On the east side, I've been seeing some garden variety showers popping up. Nothing severe with this, no lightning with these, but seeing some rain in a couple of spots through Kaufman County, Van Zandt County, stretching up through parts of Hopkins counties as well. On the wide view, we do have the upper level low that's pushing its way through the panhandle. As that shifts its way to the east into the overnight hours, we'll see that upper level support for more storms to develop. And that's why the severe risk has been there. And we've been talking about this for the past couple of days of that enhanced risk of severe storms in the forecast. That does include the Metroplex and a lot of North Texas. The threats, as we talked about, large hail and damaging winds. And here's the Futuresky forecast. Right where we're starting to see some of that thunderstorm activity up near parts of Jacksboro, near Bridgeport, Bowie, we have the potential of those strong to possibly severe storms developing. And these are going to be the ones that have the potential of that large hail. We're talking hail, maybe 2 inches in diameter or larger. And then as we go into maybe the 10 to 11 to near midnight period, that upper level support gets closer. And then through the I-35 corridor, storms with damaging winds and isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. So we're going to see these storms really come together, that complex holding together for us. And as that works in overnight, my concern mainly is going to be damaging wind threats, but still we could see some golf ball size hail. That complex then moves its way into East Texas as we go through 2, 3, 4 in the morning. And we have a cold front starting to help some of that lift as well. Damaging winds, flash flooding cannot be ruled out. And then that front passes through and we start to see the rain that's in the early morning hours then dissipate and we start to see more sunshine peek out. But tonight, here are the threats for us. And the hail pretty much in that extreme category of 2 inches or larger. We could see those winds gusting up to near 60 to 70 miles per hour. Tornado threat is in the low category. We could see some isolated tornadoes. It's not a high threat, but it definitely is still there. And you see on the satellite through the day today, a lot of sunshine has been holding together, and this lighter brown color indicates dry air. Want to point out, watch to the southwest, see this gray color and this black color kind of coming in. That's moisture returning, and that's right near the dry line for us. So we're starting to see the atmosphere get a little bit more unstable out towards the west, and that's why we're seeing the storms go up. Where we've had the cloud cover, low 70s, where we've seen the sunshine into the mid 80s. So we have some changes on the way in the storms tonight because of that dry line continuing to be the main catalyst over the next couple of hours. After that, I talked about how we have sunshine returning. Here's your weekend forecast. It's going to be a great holiday weekend here for us. Cooler Thursday and Friday in the 70s. Then this weekend, low 80s for us. Easter Sunday looking great, but windy. South winds 15 to 30 in the low 80s. Next chance of rain is next week before we have another front pass its way through North Texas.